Hey guys, we got some more stuff in for the Jeep today. So, what I have here today is the Rugged Ridge cell phone mount holder. So those of you who have a Jeep Wrangler JK probably know about some of the struggles that comes when you have your cell phone, whether it be your iPhone or your Android phone, and you're desperately trying to find a home for your cell phone. Right? Usually you just toss it into the bin where this would actually go into, and you're trying to find a good place for your cell phone and your Jeep Wrangler JK, it's not happening, right? Those nets are really flimsy. There's the little cubby above the dashboard where this actually goes into, but if you're like me, I put the phone in there and I forget about it. I get out the car, I leave, and it's ridiculous. I have to always run out and make sure that I go back in to get it. So it's really annoying. So I tried looking at a lot of different solutions, right? There was the Vector off-road bar I saw that looked pretty cool, but it was over $100. Seriously, I have a GoPro mount already. I'm just looking for something to hold my cell phone. So really, I wouldn't have too much use with the Vector mount. I'm not putting iPads in my JK or anything like that. So that was out. Then I saw the 69 design ball joint that goes into the same slot where this Rugged Ridge one goes into. But that was like $70, $80 shipped. So again, I still don't want to spend that much just to have a solution to hold my cell phone. I get it looks nice and it may be the best practical solution, but this is really a budget-friendly build that I'm doing here, right? So with that said, this is the Rugged Ridge dash multi-mount system kit for current 2011 to current JK Wranglers. And I think this one's gonna work out for me. I'm gonna install it, give you guys an update, let you guys know how it's doing. And I'm gonna show you guys how to install goes. It's really easy. But I guess we can unbox while it's here to see what comes in the box. So this kit in particular, there's two different versions in this kit. So this kit is the 13551.16. So that's the dash multi-mount system with the phone mount. So they also sell this, it doesn't come with the phone mount, but I really recommend that you get it with the phone mount because this stuff is proprietary and it's going to be really annoying to try to find the piece after. And buying it without it makes it pretty much useless, right? So here's everything you get in the box. We do have a giveaway that we're going to be doing. So I do have a few things that I want to give away to someone. All you have to do to win one of these products is comment below Angels Travel Unravel in the video, hashtag Angels Travel Unravel in the comment section below, and tell me which item you like. So what we have to give away here is we have a 3M taped Jeep blacked out grill emblem. So this usually would go over an aftermarket grill or just anywhere you'd like for it to go on the Jeep. So that. We also have a little decal here. So the decal says, yours may go faster, but mine can go anywhere. So that's in black, if you're interested in winning that. And then we have this Jeep Life sticker in black. This decal here, Jeep Life decal in black. This is the same decal as featured on the side of my Jeep Wrangler JK. And yeah, if you guys want to see that on the side of your JK, then go ahead and comment below Angels Travel Unravel, make sure that's in the hashtag, and just say which one that you'd like. So again, just to recap, we've got the blacked out Jeep emblem, we've got the mine can go anywhere decal, and then we've got the Jeep Life decal. So comment below, and in my next video, we'll be announcing a winner. All right, thanks. All right, guys, so this install is relatively simple, right? Like I said, the only thing you're going to be doing is there's a rubberized tray in here that you're just going to have to pull out. It's kind of, it comes right out, no problems, right? Then there's a 7mm screw that you're going to need to take out. Again, very simple. You're just turning it, getting that out. 7mm screw out, okay? Very simple. You're just putting this guy right down with the ball joint. So that's going to go just like that, right? And you can kind of adjust this to tension any way you want. Personally, for me, I'm just going to leave it default. So, but it's actually really cool. You can also put another, like a GoPro mount here on the front. So that's also pretty cool, or some sort of camera to look towards the front, and then this for the cell phone to look towards the back. So I really do like this. So we're going to get this installed now. Okay, so that's not going anywhere, right? So then the only thing you really have to do is take the plate that, the provided plate, and put that right over the groove. So you can still utilize the space that's up here with the addition of a cell phone. And then of course is the cell phone mount. So just gonna take this guy off, right? Put him against the ball like this. Pop this in, like so, and turn, go. So there's your cell phone holder. Let's test it out now. There you go. Cell phone holder, it's not in the way. I could still drive, I could still see. If I wanted to do it sideways, I can do it sideways. If I wanted to have my navigation up, and as you guys can see, it will not interfere with the rest of the vehicle. So I like it. I like this this design by Rugged Ridge. I really do like this product. I'm hoping to have a further review down the line, let you guys know how it holds up. But so far, I can definitely recommend it. It's a cheaper alternative than that 69 ball joint design, and it is a much cheaper alternative to the Vector off-road bar that they have, that they sell you for like over $150 or something like that.